हाय गाइस, मैं हूं रोहित खिलनानी। मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छी सीरीज़ रेकमेंड करने आया हूं जिसका नाम है मॉबलैंड। ये पैरामाउंट प्लस की ओरिजिनल सीरीज़ है, लेकिन इंडिया में आप इसे देख सकते हैं जियो हॉटस्टार पर। अब तक एक एपिसोड आया है इसका। आप में से कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे जिन्होंने रेव डोनोवन देखा होगा जो पास में आया था। ये सीरीज़ उसका स्पिन ऑफ होने वाला था, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ। दे डिसाइडेड टू मेक दिस अ स्टैंड अलोन इंडिपेंडेंट सीरीज़ एंड दे टाइटल्ड इट मॉबलैंड। अगर मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना बनाऊँ ये किसने बनाया है और कौन है इसमें, उतना ही बहुत है। टॉम हार्डी एट हिज बेस्ट, पी.एस. ब्रॉसनन एट हिज बेस्टेस्ट, हेलन मिरन and even Paddy Considine. This is created by Ronan Bennett. Guy Ritchie, I'm told, has directed a few episodes, and he's also the executive producer. This is totally his world, his scene. If you're familiar with his filmmaking, this is his biggest strength, so he does this best. ये लंदन के अंडरवर्ल्ड फैमिलीज़ की कहानी है। दो पावरफुल फैमिलीज़ है, हैरिगन्स एंड स्टीवनसन्स, both very powerful legendary families, and they both are not scared of anyone. They can kill each other. Tom Hardy plays Harry, who's the fixer between these families. You know, they're always warring, and there has to be a middle person who is as cold, calm, and sometimes as ruthless as one can be. The opening scene is so good. It shows their power. It shows what you should expect in this series. Cold-blooded murders right as you watch them. So power is up for grabs, and there are these two warring families. Rules are the same. Family above everything else. So while they are going after each other one step at a time for a good reason, what you have to watch is the way it's made. इसका production, the tension it creates. एक meeting में जब जाते हैं and someone is about to take a shot, you know, that tension you get as a viewer, and that is the biggest strength of filmmaking, to get you sucked into it, to get you engrossed. You become a part of it कि अब ये गोली चलेगी कि नहीं, और अगर ये गोली चली तो क्या होगा. Someone else will get angry, वो बदला लेंगे. This is the magic of the filmmaking. It's great to see world over ऐसा filmmaking का जादू अब तक है, that you get involved in a story. And you know, underworld कोई नया genre नहीं है, but still they continue to entertain you. I mean, if you watch one episode, you will get sucked into it, but आपको wait करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि एक एक करके episode आएंगे. अभी एक episode आए, go and enjoy it. This is storytelling at its best. अनफेयर होगा रेटिंग देना क्योंकि एक ही एपिसोड आया है. कमेंट करके बताना आपको मॉबलैंड जियो हॉटस्टार पे कैसा लगा.